हाँ तो ऐसी
Good morning, Farhana. Good morning, Farhana. I think only you are there. Are you there? there? Is anybody there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
I've been calling names you didn't.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please join your classes on time. Sharp 10. Because most of the time I am there. Okay, who is left? Only Saklen and Ahmad. Okay. Okay, let us discuss the homework. I gave you one question in homework. What was that? Do you remember? Mudabbir, I still have not got your homework. You did not turn in that one.
Which one, ma'am?
Cube, and then question number 2, all parts, 23 cube, 53 cube, all these parts.
I didn't.
You didn't, na?
I did, ma'am.
No, I didn't receive it. Only Mozams I got.
I'll try it again today.
You resend it. Farhana, I got yours. Ahmad, I got yours. Lekin you have not completed it. I think Farhana, you have left 3-4 questions, and Ahmad, you also have left 5-6 questions from the. And I think 6. I have mentioned those questions which you have not done. Okay, so complete it. And Mudabbir, you also send me. Okay. Now question number 5, I gave you second part. You remember what was the question? 4x minus 5z. Found the question or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you find the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I got the answer 27,027 upon 125.
Yes, correct answer. What did you get, Mudabbir? Same answer? Okay. Farhana, Ahmad, did you do this question? Farhana and Ahmad, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done that question? Question number 5, second part. Farhana?
Yes, ma'am, but I was not able to solve.
Okay. Ahmad, have you done it?
I don't know.
I cannot hear Ahmad. Just speak a bit louder.
I'll go check.
Okay. You don't have your notebook? Bring your notebook. Okay. Okay, Farhana, I'll do this question. Just see you have to do. What is the first step that whole cube you have to find? Okay. And then you have to put the values. So I'll do that question. See what mistake you have done. A question was find the value of find 64x cube minus 125 z cube. If first part we already did, question number 5, second part we did in the class. First part we already did, we have done it. So 5x equal to, this is given 3/5 and xz is equal to 6. This was the question. You have written this question. So how will I start? Because this is 4 cube and this is 5z ka cube. So I'll start with 4x minus 5z whole cube. So what is the formula? If you remember the formula, using in the bracket, using a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b and minus b cube. So using this formula, if you apply this formula, you get 4x whole cube minus 3 into 4x into 5z in brackets 4x minus 5z and minus 5z whole cube. This is not continuous, huh? This is not continuous. This is in brackets, another line you can write, or sideways. Don't make it continuous. It appears here on the screen, it is appearing continuous, but it should not be in the same line. But if you're writing it in the same line, there should be gap, because actually this is the reason how I did this. Okay. So, or I'll erase it so that you will not get confused. Make it over here. I'm writing using a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab a minus b minus b cube. You have to mention the formula, which formula we are using it. So 4x minus 5z is given. So here I'll write 3 by 5 and outside is cube. So I'll write a cube. 4x cube is 64x cube minus 5 4s are 20 and 23s are 60 x into z. What is 4x minus 5z? Here you will write putting the values. Putting the values. So I'm putting the values. Putting the values. 4x minus 5z is 3 by 5. Just put the values, and xz I did not put. Okay, next step I'll put minus 5, which is 125z cube. This is cube. Minus 5z cube. So answer is 3 by 5 whole cube is how much? Farhana? 3 3s are 9, 3s are 20
27.
upon 125. This is 64x cube minus 60 into xz is what? 6 into 3 by 5 minus 125z cube. So I can make it lowest form. Okay. So here it is 64x cube minus 125z cube, and it is minus 72 into 3. Okay. 72 into 3 is how much? 3 2s are 6. 216. And here it is 27 upon 125. I want to find out the value of this term. Okay, I have to find the value of this term. So this term will go here. Minus 216, when go to this side, it becomes plus 216. So your answer is 64x cube minus 125z cube is equal to 27 upon 125 plus 216. Okay. Now, if you multiply this, what will you do? This is 27 plus 216 into 125. How much it is? You have to multiply, and in the denominator is 125. So if I multiply, what do you get? Rough mein multiply karo zara. 125 into 216. How much?
27,000.
27,000. Okay. So you get 27000. So finally your answer is 27027 upon 125. Okay, so this is your answer. 5, it's not coming. You have to write 5, huh? 125, it's not writing. Oh, second page, okay. Okay, it goes to second page. It is the answer I'm writing 27027 upon 125. This is the answer. Is it clear, Farhana, this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmed, have you done this question?
Yes, ma'am, I understand now.
So you write this answer. Saklain? Okay, but have you done this question or not? Saklain, I did not receive your previous homework also. Please submit your homework, all the cubes. Ahmed, rest of the homework, which 4 or 5 parts you have not done, that also you complete. Ahmed and Farhana. Mudabbir, you send it again, okay? So now moving to next question. I'm erasing it. Google Classroom is not working. So you need to find out a way to see, or how will you send me the homework? Because every time on WhatsApp, it is difficult to check. Unable to connect to the internet. You get it checked from somebody, someone elder, how to do it. Okay, because even I am not of much knowledge on this field, so I cannot help you out also. Okay, so should I erase this? But do complete your homework, get your answers checked in the class also, because it is very important. Doing the questions on your own is very important. So I'm going to start with question number 6. See, most of the question I completed in the class because it is a, what do you say, a new topic for you. So you might find it difficult, but it's okay. You have to do it on your own. Then only you will understand it. Okay, that's why I'm giving you questions to do for homework. Now, first question is, you have to simplify 2x plus 5 whole cube minus 2x whole cube. Now, you know the whole cube formula. Simply just open the brackets using the whole cube formula. Which two formula will be using over here? Tell me. Ahmed, which two formula will be using? Because two terms are there. So which two formula will you use?
We'll use a plus b whole square equals
Cube.
a square.
Whole cube is equal. We are doing cube, huh?
Yeah, sorry, cube. A cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b
Plus b cube.
minus b cube.
Plus b cube. It is a
Plus
plus
b cube.
formula. And another formula we are going to use is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b and minus b cube, all minuses. Okay, so using these two formula, just open the question. Now 2x plus 5 whole cube will be how much? Using this, put it 2x cube plus, what is a? A is 2x and b is 5. In brackets 2x plus 5. Okay, and then plus 5 cube. Then you have put a negative sign. You put a negative sign over here, a big bracket. Now the second term whole cube, which is a minus b. This formula will be using for the second term. So for second term, a cube again minus 3 into 2x into 5, then into 2x minus 5 and minus 5 cube. Okay. Now next term, I'll not calculate it because some terms will cancel out. So just keep it 2x ka cube only. Because here also you can see a negative 2x cube is coming. So you can cancel it out. Here, what is the answer? 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. X into 2x plus 5 plus 5 cube, which is actually 125. So I am opening it. Minus, move the brackets inside. When the bracket moves, when the negative sign moves inside, open the bracket. So move the negative side inside, minus 2x cube. So minus 2x ka cube. And this minus and this minus is plus, which is 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30x into 2x minus 5, and then minus and minus plus, again 5 cube, which is 125. So I'm writing 125. Now this is, now you can see minus 2x ka whole cube and plus 2x ka whole cube. It will cancel out, become 0. So I'll open this bracket now. Now opening this bracket, 30x into 2x is how much? 30 into 2 is 60x square Now 30x into 5 is how much? 5 3s are 15 and a 0 and x. Plus this one comes as it is 125. Now open this bracket, which is again 30 into 2, 60. So 60x square minus sign and 30 into 5 is 150x and plus 125. So what can I cancel now? Plus 150x and minus 150x. 60x square and 60x square is how much? 60 plus 60 is 120x square. Plus 125 and 125 is how much? 250. So that should be your answer. 120x square plus 250 is the answer for first simplification. Now just go through the steps and see. If you have not understood anything, I'll explain. What I have done, I have opened these two whole cube brackets using the formula. So I have applied two formulas. For this, I have applied a plus b whole cube, and for this, I have applied a minus b whole cube. But there is a minus sign, so I have to put a minus sign. So that's why I started with a bracket, because so many terms were there for the second term opening. So I have to put a negative sign before the bracket because there is a negative sign. And then when I open the bracket, I move the negative sign inside the bracket. So all the terms will be multiplied by a negative sign, and you get the sign reversal, and then you solve it and simplify it. Just open the brackets wherever it is required, and plus and negative gets cancelled out, same amount, and you are left with only two terms. You can see x square hai, x square hai. So you can add the like terms, and the constant and constant, I added the constants together. So 120x square plus 250. Okay, is it clear, this question, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So now a second part is there. Second part may what we'll do. Question number 6, second part we are doing. This is also simplification. Okay, simplification second part. Now write down the question carefully. It is a bit long question. 7x plus 5y whole cube minus 7x minus 5y whole cube minus 30y 7x plus 5y into 7x minus 5y. Okay, now in your book they have given you a hint over here. So why do they give hint? Because sometimes what happens, sometimes you have to use some tricks. So if you use those tricks, the questions become easier to solve. So in this question they have given you hint that put 7x plus 5y, or take as A, and 7x minus 5y equal to B. So when you add these two terms, then A plus B becomes equal to, or A minus B, you can see, because we are doing a minus over here. So just see what is A minus B. A minus B will be how much? 7x plus 5y, which is A, minus B will be 7x minus 5y, which is B. So A minus B, if you calculate it, I have to open the bracket. Whenever one term has got B has got two terms, so I have to put a bracket. Always put a bracket, because negative sign will make your answer wrong. So you have to open the bracket, and then, so always with negative sign, put a bracket. What do we get over here? Minus 7x and plus 7x cancel ho ja raha hai, so you are left with only 10y. So that means, according to this, if you take 7x plus 5y as A and 7x minus 5y as B, then A minus B comes out to be equal to simple 10y. Okay, now you observe the question. If you put the values, what do you see? This is a cube, this is b cube. Okay, so if I write it over here, now putting a and b in the question, you get a cube. So this is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into 10y. What is 10y? 10y is a minus b. Okay, I'm writing 10y over here. And this is again a, 7x plus y is a, and 7x minus 5y is b. So this is like this. So actually what we are getting it as equal to a cube minus, I'm writing the second term first, minus 3 into a into b into 10y is how much? 10y we have calculated, it is equal to a minus b, and the last term is minus b cube. Now, are you familiar with this formula? What formula is this? Can anyone tell me what is this identity? What can I write this value?
a minus b whole cube.
So it is a minus b whole cube. Okay. So now since we put this, you know what is a minus b because we have supposed something. So a minus b according to our question is what? 10y. So I can write a minus b as 10y ka cube. So my answer comes out to be, without doing any calculation, lengthy calculation, you just get 1000 y cube. Just you have to take, just observe what you have to take. I have to take this as a, this as b, and change a minus b ko वापस से in terms of x and y. You get this is your answer for this question. 7x plus 5y, take it as a. 7x minus 5y, take it as b. Now in the formula a minus b we have to find out. So find out a minus b, which is 7x plus 5y minus 7x minus 5y, you get it equal to 10y. So now if you use the question, putting the values in the question, you will write it over here, putting the values in the question. Okay. So if you put the values in the question, 7x plus 5y is a cube, 7x minus 5y is b cube, minus 3 into 10y. 10y is actually a minus b, a into b we have got, and minus b cube ko last mein likha. So actually this is your a minus b whole cube formula, because a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So same formula I have written over here. So a minus b according to our question is 10y. So 10y ka cube is equal to 1000 y cube. So this is your answer. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Everyone just show me a thumbs up. Only one person is saying yes. So that means all of you, rest of you have not understood, because your camera is not on. I cannot see your head also, your expression also. So at least show me a thumbs up. Okay, there are only just 5 children in the class. Ahmad, are you there? Ahmad,
Yes, ma'am.
you didn't understand?
No, I understood.
So show me a thumbs up now. It should not be like one person speaking and rest everyone is just quiet. So just if you're not understanding, you can tell me. So next question is, now you tell me next question how. Just try and tell me. It's okay if you are wrong also, no problem. Tell me how will we do. Just apply your mind and see. This is also simplification, a third part we are doing. If you can find any formula, which formula to use from the question, if you can find out. Everyone I'm going to ask, not one person only. Whoever wants to answer first can answer. there are actually two terms. So by seeing these two terms, separate formula you can use. Okay. So just think, go through the question and think which formula can we use. Keep your identities in front of you and see which one. This we are doing cube exercise only. So don't go on square formula. So we are doing दो bracket वाला कौन सा formula है, just check and which formula can we apply over here. Okay, I'll ask Saklen first. Saklen, which formula can we use over here? Saklen, your mic is not working. A minus B whole cube formula. Okay, Saklen says A minus B whole cube formula. Ahmed, which formula according to you?
A minus B whole square.
Square we are not doing over here. We are doing cube ke questions. So square to hai hi nahi. You don't have formulas in front of you.
Ma'am, A cube plus B cube and A cube minus B cube.
You will use only A cube plus B cube. Both the brackets are plus only. So both the terms will have same formula, A cube plus B cube. Okay, is it clear, Farhana? You can see A
Yes.
plus B cube ka formula. How can I write now? How will we start this? First, put it in the form of A cube plus B cube ka formula. So you have two brackets in A cube plus B cube formula. You remember that? So from there you get the hint. Now this is A and this is B. So A plus B, then 3x ka square. So 3x ka square minus A into B. So 3x into 2y, which is 6xy. You are getting same. Okay. Then 2y ka square, which is B square. This is your second bracket. Okay. Now coming to second term again, you have, I'll write two brackets. So 2x plus 3y. So it is same 2x plus 3y. Then the second bracket you will have 2x ka square, A ka square minus 2x into 3y, which is AB, plus 3y ka square. So actually we are using this formula, using A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square is equal to A cube plus B cube. Okay, so using this, here your A is 3x and B is 2y. So this first term is 3x ka whole cube plus 2y ka whole cube. This is your first term ka value. With a minus sign in between, you have another bracket. Iska value ho jayega, A, yahan pe A hai 2x cube and plus 3y ka whole cube. Okay. Now simplify. 3 cube is 27 x cube and 2 cube is 8 y cube minus, open it, 2 cube is again 8x cube minus plus 3 3 is 9 3 is 27 y cube. So if you solve it, open the bracket, move the minus sign inside, you get 8y cube minus 8x cube and a minus 27y cube. So I can solve this and x cube and x cube. So what is 27x cube minus 8x cube? What is it? 19x cube. And what is these two? Minus 27 plus 8. You'll get a minus sign. Minus 19y cube. So this is your answer. 19x cube minus 19y cube. How have we done? Sakleen and Ahmad, we are going to use A cube plus B cube formula because you can see two brackets are there. Two brackets are there in A cube plus B cube formula or A cube minus B cube formula. So just see that this formula falls exactly same as the question. If it is yes, then you can apply this formula. So that is why I broke down this formula, this equation in the form of formula, and I saw that we are getting the same thing. So we'll use AQ plus BQ formula. Okay. Now fourth one is similar one. So fourth one, you do it on your own. I'm giving you the fourth question. Give me the answer for the fourth one. Should I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes.
I'm erasing the question. I'll write the question. Now this is your fourth question, exactly in the same way you're going to do. Only thing is, first term you are using different formula and second term you are using this different formula. Because पिछले question में, last question में we use same formula for both the terms, okay? A cube plus B cube था, but here you can see यहाँ पे A cube minus B cube formula लगेगा and यहाँ पे A cube plus B cube formula लगेगा. Okay, so both the terms use the formula. Should I erase the answer of the previous question? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So do this question. First of all, try everyone on your own. Okay, just challenge yourself and tell me the answers, everyone. I have given you the hint that first term may you have to use A cube minus B cube formula. Second term may you have to use A cube plus B cube formula. If anyone is stuck up, you can ask question. Huh? If on any step you are stuck. Anybody has got the answer? I have reached on answer step. Nobody has got? See, this is your answer. Only 3 steps are involved. Just use the formula. This is 2x cube and 5 cube. And this is 5x ka cube and 1 cube. Put a minus sign before the bracket. No one got this answer?
Ma'am, I got this answer just right now.
Same answer you got, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to do this way. You just use which formula you're going to use, put it in the formula form, and then apply the formula 2x ka cube minus 5 ka cube, and then put a negative 5x cube plus 1 ka cube. Is it clear? Ahmad, Saklan, is it clear? Farhana, just note down this question. See, if you don't understand in the class, at home, you can just go through the questions and revise it and do it on your own. It is important to do the questions on your own, because if I do, you will forget it. So try to do it on your own, then only you will understand, okay? Only last question is left, and that is your homework. I'll give you as homework only. Just write down your homework. Should I erase this, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So your homework is, this is simple question we have done earlier also. Simplify again. This is question 7. Write down. And everyone, please do your homework. Nobody is doing some maths without doing. It's very difficult to understand anything. But you people are not doing it. 1 or 2 questions also you're not getting time to solve. And see, this is higher class. So like what you did in earlier class is not possible to do in this class. It won't be possible to get marks like that. You have to work a little to understand the concept, okay? So please do the questions. This is your first question, and second question is, I'll show you how to do. Actually, we have done also, but you must have forgotten it. So I'll just give you a hint how to do it. 234 into 234 into 234. Two 34 plus 234 into 234. See, in this question, what you will do? Put 875 is equal to A and 125 is equal to B. So your formula becomes here, it is A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. Okay. Now using the formula A cube plus B cube, you know what is it? A cube plus B cube is A plus B. a square minus ab plus b square, and नीचे में you are getting the same thing, a square minus ab plus b square. So this whole term in multiplication, so you can cancel it out. Your answer is a plus b. Now what is your a? You have taken it as 875 and b is 125. So answer is a plus b, which is 875 plus 125. You got the answer. 5, 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 10, carry 1. So it is 1000. Answer is 1000. Same way you have to do this. So put a is equal to 678 and b is equal to 234 and solve it. Here you will get a cube minus b cube formula. You can see over here, a into a into a, b into b into b. So use this and solve it. Is it clear how to do? First question I have already solved it for you. Second question you have to do like that only. So now after this we have completed this exercise. So just do this question as homework, and whatever pending work is there, Sakleen, especially you, because I am not able to check your answers. Others, I am able to see the answers, how they are doing it, but I need to see the steps also, how you are going to do it. Okay. So just solve your problem, whatever problem you're facing with Google Classroom. Check your mail ID, whatever is registered, and same with the same you're going to check or not. Okay. Solve this. This is your homework. I'm now stopping it. Everyone complete it. Okay. By Thursday. Thursday is your class, na? So complete it. So bye everyone.